Professor C.V. Raman, when he was making a voyage to England, and when he was crossing the Mediterranean Ocean, he observed that the ocean water looked blue. This person, despite knowing that there is a scientific explanation of an observation, still he questions the same idea, the same scientific logic or truth in his own way. So Professor Raman established that just like air molecules scatter light, in the same way, water molecules also scatter sunlight. This is why, because of this molecular diffraction, he established this idea that the so-called deep dark blue of the ocean is not just because of the reflection of sunlight, because earlier this was the idea which English physicist Lord Rayleigh had established, that because air molecules scatter light, so ocean water is supposed to look blue because light is coming and air molecules are scattering the light, so the ocean water is also blue. And this he had observed in his own voyage somewhere in African continent. But there comes another person named Professor C.V. Raman, who observes, and despite knowing that there is a scientific truth that had already been given to this observation, he questions the same truth again and comes up with his own idea. This is what we should think about today in our times. This lesson, this idea that even if something is a hard-bound scientific established truth, we must not still accept it on face value. Science is about a certain temperament. Science is not physics, science is not chemistry, science is not just mathematics and biology. Science is about a temperament, the scientific temperament. Do we have the scientific temperament? And this scientific temperament cuts across all subject areas. So it's not just physics, which is science, it's not just biology, which is science, but your literature could be your science as well. You could be a business person and you could still carry this scientific temperament, which is essential